Hey, good day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis, let's look at Euro-Dollar. On the daily chart, we can see that Euro-Dollar has came back down to the previous support, which is a critical level for any trading opportunity, because just a pip break and close below the low price at 2053 can denote a change of direction and of course a rebound from this level 2074 area between this range. Then a bullish trend may continue for our chart while we have a clearer look on that. So overall, while this may look pretty bearish at the moment, but based on this time frame, it could be just a bearish setup if the market reverse back up without breaking and closing above the new high, and obviously on the daily chart it still remain a bullish movement. Down to the 1 hour chart, we can see the further extension towards the downside. So this on the 1 hour chart is definitely a bearish setup. Traders might be looking for a counter trend trade, and you might be thinking, hey Rain, also bullish on daily, 4 hours is also bearish, likewise 1 hour, what should I do? So it really depends on what is your trading time frame, and if you trade a single time frame just based on the time frame that I share with you, and you decide whether you want to trade with the trend or against the trend. Alright, so what's the difference? Trend trading, usually traders can be a bit more bold. Reward is to risk ratio is great, but you have to choose a good entry price. Well, counter trend trading, reward is to risk usually is not bad, but it's always picking at the point on which are the areas that the market is going to reverse. Okay, so that's a tricky part. So back to the daily chart, let me share with you my analysis. So just right before we go into that, if you want to find out more on whatever that I shared earlier on, you can scan this QR code, head on to our website, have discussion with us over here, and scroll down further. This is a education that we in a way we give back to the community, where we train and teach you how to trade from ground zero without any cost. And scroll down further, you even receive our trade ideas. Alright, so back to our daily chart over here. Let's see, on the daily chart, we're within a buy zone, and there are a couple of support level over here, 1.1936, alright, 1.1628 as well, major support area. 4 hour chart, well, what we have over here is the first 4 hours buy zone has been violated, so we can remove that, and we left with the daily chart, which is even much more important in a way that if this low is being violated, then we will see a further extension towards the downside. 1 hour chart, let me share with you a different perspective. If the market head back up to this gray box over here, which we can boldly change it to red as our sell zone, at this area we can be waiting for a shorting opportunity if the market bounce back up. Just before you are drawn to this what you call a shark pattern, notice over here we have a AB equals CD pattern complete at 1.2070. Well, you can wait for a confirmation candle for a buying opportunity, or a retest like a double bottom over here before heading for a buying opportunity. RSI will look pretty fine for this buying because of this extended bearish movement. Definitely we are looking at a rebound or whatsoever, or it has hit its lowest point. So the main concern over here you should be looking at is not the RSI indicator, because it has been an extension of the bearish movement, but rather the candle formation. Okay, so more information of that, get into our channel, and from there we will give updated and more trainings uploads as time goes. That's all I have for you today. Looking forward to see you soon. Till then, remember, always plan your trade and trade your plan. Take care, guys.